All right, so my my microscope eyepiece showed up. I'm hoping it's going to be the right size. It's actually, I thought it would be plastic. Turns out to be metal, which is amazing. So this thing was like literally $5. Look, we can look through it and see all kinds of stuff. Is it inverted? I think everything will be inverted. Yep. So it doesn't really secure itself, but the important part is it fits. I don't really have anything to look at, so I need another light on the other direction. Let me see if I can do this. I'm just kind of curious. I'm going to put this guitar pick right here. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to see that with this. Oh, wow. Oh, this is super cool. Wow. This is awesome. I am literally looking at the texture of the plastic. Now, I don't think it'll show up on here. Let me try something.